Sai Ram children, I welcome you all again in online maths class. I hope you all are fine. We were doing chapter number 11. The last video we have started exercise 11.2. In that video we have completed question number 1 to 7. Today we are going to continue with the same exercise 11.2, question number 8. So let's start with question number 8 of exercise 11.2. Question is, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Okay, so children, so this is a kind of figure of this particular question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. So if you concentrate, the shape of the field is trapezium. Okay, so this side and this side is parallel to each other as according to the trapezium property. Okay, so one more thing, question is saying that its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So if it is x, the other side will be 2x, because question is saying that twice the side along the road. Okay, according to this. Now if the area of this field, so the internal field, already the area is given to you, that is 10,500 meters square. This much already given in the question. And the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter. It means h is also given to you, height is also given to you. Find the length of the side along the river. So what we need to find, we need to find this x and this 2x. Okay, so let's apply the area of trapezium. So what is the formula of area of trapezium? That is half a plus b into h. Now a is this first parallel side, b is another parallel side, and h is height here. So area of trapezium is given to you. Put this value. Let's put this value 10,500. Half a is x, b is 2x, and height is 100 meter. So when we solve this equation, we are able to find the x value. Then with the help of x value, we are able to find the second parallel side, that is equal to 2x. So let's solve the equation. So equation is this. So let's solve this. 1,500 1 by 2. This x plus 2x gives you 3x into 100. Okay, so let's shift this 2 to the leftmost side and this 100 below, equal to 3x. So this 0 0 cancel out each other. Then what is left over? 105 into 2 upon 3. This 3 also goes in the denominator in the leftmost side. Then it gives you, after solving this, x value is 70. So one side is equal to 70 meter, other side will be 2x. So x value is 70. 2 into 70 gives you 140 meter. So this will be your answer. This and this will be your answer. I hope you all are able to understand this question. Let's move to the next part. Now, next question is question number 9. Top surface of raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon. Regular octagon means a kind of shape who is having 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now find the area of octagonal shape. So we don't have any specific formula of area of finding octagonal surface. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this octagonal shape into 3 parts. First part, this I'm drawing separately. This is the trapezium. The middle part will be your rectangle, and the below part will be another trapezium. Okay, so this is 11 meter already given, and this is your 5 meters. So if we are talking about the middle diagram, length and breadth is given to us. Then if we are talking about this trapezium, height 4 meter is given, and this is 5 and this base is 11. So same measurement is we are having with this trapezium. So children, if we are able to find out the trapezium of area of one trapezium, so we can simply multiply with that area plus this rectangle area. So how we can find out the area of octagonal? So total area of octagonal shaped field, how we can calculate? Equal to twice of area of trapezium. So whatever area of trapezium will be, that will be the twice, because we are having 2 trapezium, plus area of rectangle. Okay, so 2 half a plus b into height, this is the formula of area of trapezium, plus length into breadth. Now let's put the value inside the formula. 2 half, a is 5 and b is 11 here. 5 plus 11, and height is 4, then plus 5 into 11. Let's solve this equation. So after solving this equation, you will get 64 plus 55. I'm not solving fully, just try to solve this equation. You will get, after solving this much, you will get 64 plus 55. 5 into 11 is 55. Then answer will be, after adding this, is 119 meters square. So in this way we are going to find out the area of this octagonal field. Octagonal field having 2 trapezium and 1 rectangle. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now next question is, there is a pentagonal shaped park. In this way, pentagonal means having 5 sides. Let's count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentagonal shape. So for finding its area, 2 women are there. One is Jyoti, another is Kavita. So according to Jyoti and Kavita, they are looking this particular shaped park in 2 different ways. Okay, and they are trying to find the area of this pentagonal shaped park. So we have to calculate the area from both point of view, and then we need to compare. Okay, so let's see what is the Jyoti's point of view. Okay, according to the Jyoti, she is saying that this pentagonal should be divided in this way. Okay, but in 2 trapezium. Okay, so let's name this diagram. Okay, now according to the Jyoti, she is looking this diagram like this, like in two trapezium. Then, so how she can calculate the pentagonal shape? See, again, like in the previous question, we are not having one specific formula for finding the area of octagonal shaped field. In the same manner, we don't have any pentagonal formula. So let's divide. So we have divided into two trapezium. So let's name them area of trapezium. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D plus area of trapezium A, F, E, D. So two trapeziums are there. So we have divided into two trapezium. Now let's find out half A plus B into H plus, so one trapezium formula, another trapezium formula. The formula will be same, but I'm writing two times because we are representing here two trapezium. Okay, then if we are seeing this trapezium, then half A will be BC and B will be AD and height will be this CD. Okay, I hope you all are able to understand. Plus half, if we are talking about this trapezium, I'm hiding this trapezium. So if we are seeing AFED, so AB will be EF plus B will be AD and height will be DE. Okay, so now start putting the value. So half BC is 15. If you are able to see this diagram, AD will be 30. So we don't know about CD, so I'm keeping this CD as it is, plus half EF is 15 plus 30 into DE. Okay, after putting this value, if you concentrate in this expression, if you are concentrating, half common, 15 plus 30 is common, so we can write one time this thing outside the bracket, only CD plus DE left over. So this CD and DE, CD is this and DE is this, so whole this CD plus DE is representing as CE. We know about CE, it gives you 45 into CE. Okay, now what is the value of CE? CE is 15. Half 45 into 15. So CE is 15. Put this value. So after solving this, you are going to have 337.5 meter square. So this is the area according to Jyoti point of view. Okay, now let's solve this same particular question according to Kavita's point of view. Now, according to the Kavita, this pentagonal shape is divided in this way. So according to the Kavita, one triangle is there, another is square. Okay, so measurement is 15 meter. This is already given in the question. The whole pentagonal shape height is 30 meter. This is 15 meter. Okay, so this point of view is of Kavita. Okay, now write down, let's name it A, B, C, D, E. The pentagonal name I have given. Then area of pentagon is equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of square BECD. Okay. Now formula of triangle is half base into height plus square is side into side. Now what is base here? Base is this BE, that is of 15. Height, see, this much is 15, whole is 30, so we are able to find this height. How? 30 minus 15, that is 15. Okay, so 15 plus side is also 15 into 15. Now solve this equation. After solving, you will have 2 to 5 upon 2 plus 2 to 5. After solving this, you are going to have 337.5 meters square. This will be your answer. So if you notice something, when according to the Kavita's point of view also and according to the Jyoti's point of view, area will be same. They are looking the same picture in two different manners. Two point of views are there, but area will be same. Okay, now let's move to the next question, question number 10. Okay, now question number 11 is the diagram of adjacent picture frame. So this is your picture frame, has outer dimension 28 centimeter here and 24 centimeter. The inner dimension is 16 and 20. Okay, find the area section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So first, second, third and fourth. So these are four sections of this frame. Width means the breadth, the size of each section is same. We need to calculate the area of individual section. So if we concentrate the individual section, it is a kind of trapezium. Okay, so we can say that area of first section equal to area of second section. We can conclude this. Okay, because question is saying that the width is similar. In the same manner, this and this section will be same. The area of third section will be equal to area of fourth section. So we can say that if we are able to find any of one and second, so both section will be there with us. So let's find out. Area of first section, that is of trapezium shape, half A plus B into H. Half A, this means 16 and B is 24. And height, let's talk about height. How we are able to find the height? See, the whole is 28, this much is 20. So this particular portion and this particular portion left over. So 28 minus 20 gives you 8. So we need only this much. So both are equal. So it means upon 2 gives you 4. So from here we are able to find 4 height. Half 16 plus 24 is 40 into 4. After solving this, you will get 80 centimeter square. Okay, so this is equal to second section as well as. Getting my point? So this much I have solved. Area of first section equal to area of second section, it means equal to 80 centimeter square. So what I'm doing here, I'm giving you this particular portion as homework. Find area of third section, and that will be equal to area of fourth section as well as. In a similar manner, put this formula, put the values, and you will get the third section as well as answer. Okay, so this will be your homework. Now let's move to the next question. See, this exercise with 11th question 11.2 has been finished. So we are going to start today 11.3 as well as. Few questions we are going to do from 11.3 as well as. Let's see. Okay, so let's start with exercise 11.3. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require lesser amount of material? So children, one thing I would like to clear here. So in this exercise we are going to introduce two formulas. One is total surface area, TSA, and another is LSA, lateral surface area. That is total surface area, and another is lateral surface area. So what is the difference between these two formulas? Total surface area means if we are talking about any cuboidal shape, it means that it is each and every section is going to be covered, like this top also, the back side of cuboidal shape, this side, each and every side. Okay, but when we are talking about lateral surface area, that time we are talking about only this section, back side, and this, only 4 sections. Clear? So in this question there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box require the lesser amount of material to make? Now we need to make these two boxes with any kind of material. So we need to cover top, bottom, all the 4 sides. So how we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate total surface area of cuboidal box. So this is your first box and this is your second box. So I am calculating about the first box. Let's put the formula 2LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so length is 60 here, breadth is 40 here, and height is 50 here in the first diagram. We are talking about first diagram. Put this value inside this, you will get 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. So after solving the whole equation, you will get 14,800 centimeter square. Okay, so let's calculate total surface area of box second. So again put this formula. Again put formula LB plus BH plus HL. In this also we are having same. So length, breadth and height all is equal to 50. Okay, so put this value inside this. 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50 plus 50 into 50. After solving this, you will get 15,000 centimeter square. Okay, so in the first box total area is this and second box total area is this. So in second box second, we need larger area, larger material. So in the question we have been asked about the lesser material, so answer will be box first. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now next question is, a suitcase with the measures of 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter is to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width 96 centimeters required to cover 100 such suitcases? Now this is a suitcase of cuboidal shape. We need to cover this suitcase with cloth. Okay, the cloth width is given to us. We need to find out how much material we require to cover such 100 suitcases. Okay, so first of all, let's calculate area of one suitcase. So we have to cover the whole suitcase from top to bottom. So in this we need to find out total surface area of cuboidal suitcase. Formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. So length is 80, breadth is 48 and height is 24. Let's put this value inside the formula. Formula 2 into 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. After solving this, you will have 13,824 centimeters square. Okay, so total area of one suitcase is this. For 100 suitcase, how much we require? 13 into 100, it gives you 13,824 centimeters square. How many meters of tarpaulin is required to cover such suitcase? So area covered by one suitcase is this. So 100 suitcase require this much of centimeter cloth. Okay, so with this question is finished. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is, find the side of the cube whose surface area is given to you. Now what we need to find out, the length of that cube, surface area is given to us. So surface area of cube is 600 centimeters square. Surface area formula of cube is 6L square, that is equal to 600. So L we need to calculate. So L square remains here. 6 goes down in the rightmost side. L square is 100. So this square converts into square root in the right side. L is 10 centimeters. So this will be your answer. Okay, so in 11.3 we have done today 3 questions. Rest of the question I will take in the next video. Sai Ram, take care of yourself.